you looking for a simple way to promote teamwork within your classroom and get that family-like feeling? You're in the right spot. Hi, I'm Amy Murray from Teaching Exceptional Kinders, and today I'd like to talk about how we can use our whole class incentive or reward system to promote teamwork with our students. So if you're not familiar, our build a reward charts are charts that look like these, and I'll put it up here so you can see, where you've got a specific behavior goal that you're working on as a whole class and a reward choice that your whole class is working towards. And then as you see your class meeting the behavior goal, you put up pieces of almost like a puzzle, but the character or the object until the whole chart is built. And then once the chart is built, they earn their reward. And you can use these charts in a variety of ways to promote whatever behavior goal you are looking at. But if you're specifically, looking to build teamwork, setting a specific goal, so like raising your hand every time, that's just a common courtesy in the classroom, right? Raise your hand and wait to be called on, but it doesn't always happen just intrinsically. And so if you set this goal and they're working together towards a reward, what will happen is it starts to snowball and you'll see them reminding each other, hopefully gently, you might have to demonstrate that, to raise their hand before they talk. Or if you have a really chatty class and you would just love to get through an independent work time without constant chatter, and you make your goal work quietly, then they're going to start to remind each other, hey, remember, our goal is to work quietly. And when we get our sandcastle built, then we know we earn a show and tell day. And we really want that. So let's work together to get that. Or we are going to earn extra recess time when we finish our chart. So please, let's work quietly today. And that will snowball into helping them work together. Now, yes, you're going to have your outliers of students. And that's the question I'm asked most often. What do you do with the kid who tries to ruin it? I get it. I've been there. And you can check out the blog post I'll link below. For ways to deal with that and cope with students who maybe aren't buying in the whole way. But to promote teamwork, you really need a united goal. And using a whole class reward system really helps that goal. Not punishing or dishing out consequences as the whole class, because that's truly unfair. But if you're working towards a goal, the kids are more likely to work together to earn that. So focusing on the positives that are happening in your classroom and promoting teamwork, kids working together to use them. Now, how do you keep it fresh all year long? Because you probably don't want to do a sandcastle in September or December. Yeah, the pack, and I'll link the bundle below. Right now it has, I think, at least 25 sets, and it's growing all the time. And each pack of these charts has at least 2 chart options. So that's more than 50 charts. You could change it every week of the year and still have fresh and fun new charts for them to build. There are built-in goal picture cards to help keep everybody on track. And hopefully you'll be building that teamwork in no time at all. I'd love to hear how these are working for you. Please leave a comment down below. Let me know. While you're there, please like and subscribe so you don't miss another one of our videos. This one was short and sweet, but if you have any questions for me, please reach out. Here's my contact info. You can find me on Instagram at Teaching Exceptional Kinders and send me an email to amy@teachingexceptionalkinders.com. All right, until next time, have an exceptional day.